You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the full form of the word that is often referred to as LED. You've heard of an LED TV or LED lights in your flat or on your car, and it means light emitting, or light emitting, as the Americans would say it. American pronunciation, light emitting diode, not diode, diode. Light emitting diode is the full form of LED. That's what it means. The meaning of LED, how to pronounce LED, light emitting diode. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.